Height. The number of levels that composes a unit's distance above the ground when resting on the ground. See page 99 of Total Warfare to find the unit heights table. The level of a VTOL or WIGE. Elevation plus 1. We add 1 because the relevant unit's height of 1 must be added to the unit's elevation to yield the unit's level. Elevation. The number of levels ascended or descended vertically. Here we have a VTOL on level 0 terrain. The VTOL is landed. The VTOL would like to be landed over here on this level 1 hill. This is obviously a sideways view of a possible section of a BattleTech map, with the zeros representing level 0 ground, this 1, 2 here representing a level 2 hill, and these representing level 1 hills, and this of course representing a woods hex. Woods of course rise 2 levels above their underlying terrain. The VTOL has a height of 1 level, so this VTOL currently is 1 level tall. In order for the VTOL to get to this hex to land on it, the VTOL must first expend MP to ascend a certain number of levels, because VTOLs can't move horizontally when landed. In order to pass this level 2 hill, the VTOL must spend 3 MP to ascend 3 elevations. 1, 2, 3. Now, because the VTOL ascended 3 elevations, the VTOL is at level 4, because the level is the VTOL's elevation plus 1, due to the VTOL's height of 1. Next, the VTOL will expend 1 MP to move into this hex, and then 1 more MP to move into this hex. Like that. Now the VTOL had to be at the level that it is, because if it was 1 level lower, if the VTOL only ascended to here and then moved over, then the VTOL would automatically land on the hill. Now to keep progressing, since the VTOL cannot land on the top of a tree, or trees, the VTOL must ascend again to get over this woods. Now that it's high enough to get over the woods, it can spend 1 MP to get over the woods, and then 1 MP again to move there. And now the VTOL can simply descend into the hex it wants to be at. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 1, 2, 3. And now the VTOL is where it wants to be. Let's count up how much MP it had to spend. 1, 2, 3 MP. 4, 5 MP. And then to get up 1, that was 6 MP. 7, 8 MP. 9, 10, 11. 11 MP total was spent to traverse from there to there. And that's how movement for VTOLs work. The same rules for height and levels and elevations apply to WIGEs, but WIGEs can't keep ascending up as high as VTOLs can.